the bird barn. 3 rooms. Anyway, we'll start in this room. This is what I call the noisy room, which they're not being too bad right now, but they can get loud. And what I'm doing here is cleaning the grill to this cage, which used to have a bunch of poop on it. Here. It takes a long time to clean all these cages. I'm working on that, and then today I've been deep cleaning these cages. You can see I've done these. They look pretty good. I gotta do these 2 here, and then slowly but surely deep clean all of them, but it takes time. I mean, look, you can look here, you see that they all decide to poo right there. Same, and look right there. These are Quakers. They're ornery. So this is a very dirty job, and we can go on the other rooms here. This is the little bird room. I'm doing my video. In here we have little birds, quieter birds. Our babies, they are very messy, dirty babies. I mean, we have to clean their cages every day because they make a mess. Same with a lot of the other birds in here. They're all spoiled rotten, so they make a lot of mess. You see, we got to clean all that nice poop in there. I mean, it's everywhere. It's on the walls. It's on the floor. Look, they like to poop on the floor. We have to scrub it.
Might go up to spend the night, come back to see me.
This is Tina. This was her idea. And that's